Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us the art of public speaking. I am Muhammad Jamal and I belong to Ghosi. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver a speech on success. इंतज़ार मत करो, जितना तुम सोचते हो जिंदगी उससे कई तेजी से निकल रही है. डोंट वेट, लाइफ इज गोइंग फास्टर देन यू थिंक. अपने जीवन को बदलने के लिए आपको लड़ना होगा, लेकिन प्रक्रिया को सरल बनाने के लिए आपको समझना होगा. टू चेंज योर लाइफ यू हैव टू फाइट. To simplify the process, you have to understand the three golden rules of life. Who is helping you? Don't forget them. Who is loving you? Don't hate them. Who is leaving you? Don't cheat them. Talk to yourself. Talk to yourself at least once in a day. Otherwise may miss a meeting with an excellent person in this world. It is most important for the survival of human beings. It opens up the door of different opportunities for us. Success gives us the encouragement to move forward in our life. We can never live our life without encouragement or motivation. Success is something that makes our life meaningful and optimistic. It is something that gives a proper direction to our life. End up my speech. Thanking you all great people for paying my to heed my words. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.